Hi Adam, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good, I'm good. Okay, I have a few questions to ask you before we get started with our feeding swallow test today. Okay?
Okay.
So can you tell me your name and your birthday, please?
Adam Ruffalo, 6/28/1990.
Good. And what year is it now?
It's 2019.
So when did this swallowing problem begin?
I'd say the last 6 months maybe probably less than that even that it got bad.
Okay. And was it abrupt or has it happened kind of gradually?
I'm not really sure. It seems like it's gotten worse for sure though.
Okay.
But it wasn't all at once.
Okay. So maybe gradually?
Yeah, probably gradually.
Okay. So you said that your swallow's gotten worse over time as well?
Yeah, I think the last month it's gotten a lot harder to eat and drink.
Okay. And when did you first notice this problem? I guess you said 6 months ago, right?
Yeah, probably 6 months ago.
Okay. And do you notice it every time you eat or just every so often?
I would say it's something that bothers me every time, but certain foods are definitely worse.
Okay. And what tends to bother you worse?
Just that I can choke easily if I'm not careful, or it just seems like I have to take more effort to focus on swallowing and doing things I used to just kind of do.
Okay. Is there a specific food that makes it worse or better?
It just kind of depends. Not that I can think of it.
Okay. All right. And then is there anything that helps your swallow? Anything that you do?
I think eating slower.
Okay.
That allows me to concentrate more on what I'm doing.
Okay, good. All right. Well, you see here that we have a few different things that we're going to have you try eating today. So we have just water, and then we have some honey thickened liquid, so it's a little bit thicker. Pureed food, we have applesauce. For our mechanical soft food, we have pears, so it won't be as difficult for you to chew that, but we'll still get a chance to see your chewing. And then we have a ham sandwich, and that will allow us to see for your foods, your solid food swallow, to see how that is. So I'm going to start with a small spoonful and feed it to you, and then go to a bigger spoonful, and then eventually I'll have you take a bite or a drink by yourself. Okay?
Okay.
And then I might take a look in your mouth afterwards too to see if everything's been cleared. So we'll start with water. And I want you to hold it in your mouth until I tell you to swallow. Okay, swallow. Good. Okay. How was that?
It was okay.
Okay. Let's try a bigger spoon. Hold it. Swallow. How was that?
It was okay still.
Okay. And now I'm going to just have you take a sip. I'm going to do it for you. Okay, wait to swallow. Swallow. Good. How was that?
Okay, so.
Good. All right, now this time I want you to take a few drinks, and you can do this one yourself. But I want you to hold it in your mouth, and then I'll tell you when to swallow, okay? Swallow. Good. Okay. How was that one?
It's okay still.
Good. All right, now we're going to move to the honey thickened liquid. This is just a little bit thicker. Swallow. Good. How was that?
Still okay.
First spoon. Good. How was that one?
Okay.
Good. Okay. And now I'm going to just have you take a spoonful. Feed it yourself. Still hold it. Swallow. How was that?
It's fine.
Good. Okay. All right. Now we're going to move to our pureed food. So we have applesauce. Try spoon first. Swallow. Good. How was that?
Maybe a little bit harder.
A little harder? Okay. Try the bigger spoon. How's that?
Still okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take a look in your mouth to see if I see anything, still in there. Good, I don't see anything. All right, now I want you to go ahead and take a bite yourself. All right, swallow. Good. How was that one?
Okay.
All right, now we're going to move to the mechanical soft food. So it's still pretty soft, but it'll require you to chew a little bit more. First, I chew it up, and you just hold it in your mouth until I tell you to swallow. Okay. Swallow. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and take a look. Good. Okay. Let's try a little bit more. And chew it up. And let me know whenever you're ready to swallow.
Sure.
Swallow. Good. All right, now I want you to take a bite. Let me know when you're ready to swallow.
Okay.
Swallow. Good. All right, now let me take a look. Good. Now I'm checking on your tongue to see if there's any on your tongue or if there's any on, like in your cheeks still. It all looks good. Okay, now we're gonna move to the food. I know that I've heard that ham sandwiches are one of your favorites, so yeah. So this will be a little bit more chewing, but at least you'll enjoy it. So I'm gonna feed you this first bite, and let me know whenever you're ready to swallow. Take your time. Right? Okay. Swallow. Good. Okay. I'm gonna take a look. You still have some food residue. Okay. You want to take a swallow to get it all down? Does it usually take you a few swallows to get that down?
Yes, sometimes.
Okay. Okay. And this is just a little bigger bite. Sorry, take your time. Okay.
Good.
All right, go ahead and swallow. Good. Okay. If you need to swallow again, you can. Oh, that was a bigger bite. All right, I'm going to go ahead and look. All right, good. I think that you swallowing more than once helps clear all the food, so
Yeah.
that's good. Okay, now I want you to go ahead and just take a bite. Just a normal sized bite that you would. And let me know when you're ready to swallow. Okay. All right, go ahead and swallow.
Good.
Okay. All right. Let me go ahead and check. All right, good. All right, well, that concludes the swallow test. I hope it wasn't, too much trouble for you, but you did a really nice job.
Okay.
So I'll see you later.
Thank you.
Thanks.